Now converting decimals into fractions. Before what we did, so fractions into decimals we convert. So now we are going to convert decimals into fractions. Here 0.75. So then how to convert into decimals into fractions? Here 75 hundredths. 75 hundredths means 75 hundredths means by 100. Hundredths means we have to take by 100. 75 by 100. Okay. Here now 75 by 100 means 75 hundredths. Hundredths means by 100. Here 5, here 0 is there. These two are divisible by 5. Now divide with 5. Now this is also divided with 5. When 75 divided with 5, then your answer is 15. Then this is 100 divides with 5, then you will get 20. After simplification, you are getting 15 by 20. Again here 5 is there in ones place, here 0 is there. Again this is divisible by 5. Again one more time we have to divide with 5. Divide with 5. In 5 table when you will get 15, 5 3 za. In 5 table when you will get 20, 5 4 za, 3 by 4. 0.75 in fraction is 3 by 4. In fraction is 3 by 4. Here the next one. So here 0.625, this is tens, hundreds, thousandths, 625 thousandths, 625 thousandths means by 1000 we have to write. By 1000 we have to write. And here in the last digit we have 5 and 0, so we have to divide with 5. And denominator also we have to divide with 5. In 5 table when you will get this 625, so 5 125s are. In 1000 5 table when you will get, in 5 table when you will get 1000, 200s are. Again this 125 and 200 divides with 5. Again you divide with 5. When you will get 125 in 5, 25. So in 200 when you will get 40. Okay. Again here we have 5 and 0 in ones place. Again these two are divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5 and divided by 5. In 25 table when you will get this, in 5 table when you will get this 25, 5 5s are. Here also 5. In 5 table when you will get this 40, 8s are. It means 5 by 8. 5 by 8 is nothing but 0.625. Okay. This is the method to convert decimal numbers into fraction. Now next, so write the following decimals as fractions. These decimal numbers we have to convert into fractions. See here 0.675 means 6 is in tens place, 7 in hundredths place, 5 is in thousandths place. Then how to take? So before it was 0, no, so no need to take this 0. So 675 till thousandths, no, by thousandths we have to take. By thousandths we have to write. So this is in ones place, this is in tenths place, this is hundredths place, this is thousandths place. So by thousandths we have to take. Now so here unit in unit place is 5 and here 0 divided by 5. These two are divisible by 5. When it is divided by 5, then what happened? So what number will come? 5 1s are 5, then 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25 by 200. 135 by, so 270, 200, 135 by 200. Okay. Now after that here again 0 and again 0 is there. So these two again divided by, again here 5 is there in ones, here 0 is there, divisible by 5. 27, 527 is 135, 27 by 40, 27 by 40. So, in this way we have to convert the given decimals as a fractions. Okay. The next one, 1.83 means 8 is in ones place, 8 is in tenths place and 3 is in hundredths place. So, by 100 we have to write by 100, hundredths place, no, till hundredths place we have by hundreds. So, without decimal we have to write 183 we have to write 183 by 100. Okay. This is only your answer. This is only your answer. Now here, so here before it was 0 here, so no need to take this 0. Here 1 is there, so that is why we have to take. Here also 0 is there, no need to take this 0. So then we have to, so read what a place value here, tenth, hundredth, thousandths means by thousands. First we have to write by 1000. Then after that in the numerator 918. No need to take this 0. Then these two. So how these two are? These two are even numbers divisible by 2, divided by 2 and divided by 2. So then 459 by 200, 459 by 200, 459 by 200. This is the answer. Now, so 918 divided by 2, 1000 divided by 2. If 918 divided by 2, then you will get 459. If 1000 divided by 2, you will get 500. 500. Half of 1000 is 500. So, okay. So, in this way we have to simplify. Okay. Now, after that, so 0 point, before it was 0 and point, tenths and hundredths. Tenth and hundredths is there, means hundredths means by 100 we have to write, then after that 85. Here in the ones place 5 is there and 0 is there. So, these two are divisible by 5, divided by 5, divided by 5. When you divided 85 with 5, then you will get 17 by 20, 17 by 20. Then 17 by 20 value is 0.85, 0.85. Now here 0.3 in tenths place, hundredths place, thousandths place means first we have to take by thousandths. Thousandths means by 1000, and now we have to write 366. These two are even numbers divisible by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2. Then 366 when divided by 2, what you will get? 183 by 500. So, this is the answer. Now, here 0.537, 5 in tenths place, 3 in hundredths place, 7 in thousandths place means by thousands we have to write. Then after that 537. So, here 0 is there, no need to take that 0. 537 by 1000. This is already in simplified form. This is the method to convert decimals into fractions. Now, here see expanded form of decimal numbers. Decimal numbers, when expanded form is given, then how to convert into decimal form. When decimal number is given, then how to write in expanded form. So, here we are going to learn about that. Okay. First, here expanded form of a decimal number is given, that is 4 plus 0.7 plus 0.05 plus 0.003. It is in expanded form. Then we have to write in decimal form. Then how to write in decimal form? Here, so decimal number starts from here. Before that, first you take a decimal here. It is 4 ones. 4 is a single digit number. So, here 4 ones means unit place. 4 we have to write in units place. 4 is in units place. So, after a decimal, this is the first number. It is 7 tenths. Here this is in unit place. Now tens place, tenths place will come, then hundredths place will come, then thousandths place will come. So now, so unit place is over, 4 units place. In tenths place, 7 tenths. So very next number is a tenths place. So 7 in tenths place. So it is a second after a decimal, second digit means that is hundredths place, that is 5. So after decimal, this is a third place, means 1, 2, 3. Third place means this is thousandths place, like this. So after a decimal, first place is a tenths place. After a decimal, second place means hundredths place. After a decimal, third place means thousandths place. In this way we have to write. In this way, so we have to write. Okay. This is expanded form. This is our which form? Decimal form. Okay. Now here 100 plus 6 plus 0.08, it is given. So this expanded form is given. We have to write in decimal form. So here the first place is unit place, here tens place, hundred place, unit place, here it is tens place, this is hundreds place, hundreds. Then here will come tenths place, then after that hundredths place, hundredths place will come. So this is a decimal point. Decimal point, here single digit means, without a decimal single digit means this is units place, 6 is units place. After that you should get 2 digit number, that is not given, it means 0 tens. After that 3 digit 100 means in hundreds place 106 point. Here after a decimal, so after a decimal only double digit means 8 tenths given, 8 hundredths given, 8 is hundredths place, there is no tenths, so means we have to take 0 in tenths place, 0 in tenths place. Whatever is given, that we have to write in that place, whatever is missing in that place you have to keep 0. Okay. Now this is the method. So when the expanded form is given, then how to write in decimal form. Now here decimal form is given, then how to write in expanded form. See here how to write these numbers into expanded form. 504.46 first. So we have to write 5 is in hundreds place means 500 plus 5 is in hundreds place 500, 0 in tens place, no need to take that one, and 4 is in ones place, that is units place 4. Then after that plus, and this 4 is in tenths place, that is 0.4 tenths place, and after that this 6 is in hundredths place, so 0.06. Before the decimal we have to take 0, and in tenths place we have to keep 0, and in hundredths place we have to take 6. This is the expanded form. Okay. Now see here, so in activity 4, write the following in expanded form. So here decimal form is given, these decimal numbers we have to write in expanded form. First 45.2 means 4 is in tens place, that is 40, plus 5 is in units place 5, plus, and 0.2, this 2 is in tens place, so we have to take 0.2. The second one, here 8 is in tens place, 1 is in tens place, that is 10, 8 is in ones place plus 8, then after that decimal places. So 1 is in tens place, so 0.1, this 5 is in hundreds place, that is 0.05, 5 is in hundreds place. Then after that 8 is in tens place 80, 3 is in ones place, 3 and place. After that decimal places. 9 is in tenths place, that is 0.9. 5 is in hundredths place, that is 0.05. 0.05. Now 3 is in tens place, 30. 6 is in ones place, 6, then plus after that decimal numbers, decimal values. So 6 is in tenths place, that is 0.6. Again one more 6 is in hundredths place, that is 0.06. 0.06. Now here 8 is in tens place, that is 80. 2 is in ones place, that is 2. Then after that decimal. 3 is in tenths place, that is 0.3. 5 is in hundredths place, that is 0.05. 0.05. Now 3 is in tens place, 30. 5 is in ones place, 5. Then decimal numbers place. 9 is in tenths place, that is 0.9. And 3 is in hundredths place, that is 0.03. In the second digit we have to write in decimal, hundredths place. 4 is in tens place, 40. 7 is in ones place, 7. Now decimal numbers. 6 is in tenths place, 0.6. This 5 is in hundredths place, 0.05. It's very easy, expansion is very easy. Now 8 is in tens place, 80. 2 is in ones place, 2. Now decimal numbers. This is in tens place, 5, that is 0.5. 4 is in hundredths place, 0.04. Then 2 is in tens place, 20. 9 is in 1 place, 9 place. 8 is in tenths place, that is 0.8. 2 is in hundredths place, that is 0.02. So in this way we have to do. So in this one more question is there, similar question that you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now the concept next, like and unlike decimals. What are like decimals and what are unlike decimals? Here the definition. So like decimals definition, decimals having the same number of decimal places. If the same number of decimal places are there, then that decimals are called like decimals. If same number of decimals means what? Here 3.1, 46.3, 1247.5, 437.0. Here after point we have one decimal place, after point we have one decimal place, after point we have one decimal place, after point we have one decimal place. After point, how many decimal places we have? Here one decimal place, one decimal place, one decimal place, one decimal place. So if equal number of decimal places there in the decimal number, so that decimals are called like decimals. Here 2.68, after decimal we have 2 places. Here 11.54, after decimal we have 2 decimal places. 0.79, after decimal we have 2 decimal places. 1.40, after decimal we have 2 places. Okay. If equal number of decimal places there, so that decimals are called like decimals. Okay. Now unlike decimals, decimals not have same number of decimal places. Like here 4.38, here we have 2 decimal places. 43.8, only one decimal place. Here we have 2 decimal places, here we have 1 decimal place. These are unlike decimals. These are unlike decimals. Here 16.58, here we have 2 decimal places. Here we have 3 decimal places. Here we have 1 decimal place. 2, 3, 1. We have different decimal places. So these type of decimal numbers are called unlike decimals. If equal number of decimal places are there, they are like decimals. This is the difference between like decimals and unlike decimals. Okay. Now Here, so conversion of a unlike decimals to like decimals, like decimals. How to convert unlike decimals to like decimals? Suppose 0.9, 0.9 means 9 tenths, 9 tenths means 9 by 10. If I take 0.90, 0 is in hundredths place, then how to take 90 by hundredths we have to write. Then 0.900, so what it is? 900 by thousandths. So we take like this. If it is 9 by 10, 90 by 100, 900 by 1000, all these values are equal. All these values are equal. So then, if these type of values are equal, then how to convert these decimals into like decimals? See here, first decimal is 0.683. The second decimal is 8.75. The next decimal is 9.6. The third decimal is 6.01. Here, in the first decimal, so we have 3 decimal places. In the second decimal number, we have 2 decimal places. So in the third, we have 1 decimal place. In the fourth, we have 2 decimal places. Then maximum 3 decimal places we have. Here for making 3 decimal places, we need 1 0, keep 1 0. Now we have 3 decimal places. Here we need 2 zeros. Then here we have 3 decimal places. So here how many decimal places? 1 0 we need. Now once you check, in the first we have 3 decimal places, in the second 3 decimal places, in the third 3 decimal places, in the fourth 3 decimal places. How many decimal places are less? That many zeros we have to keep. Then that unlike decimals we convert into like decimals. Okay. So this is the method to convert unlike decimals into like decimals. Now here in example, now the next concept is addition and subtraction of decimals. How to add and how to subtract decimals. So here the first decimal is 1.452. The second decimal is 1.3. Then how to add? First what we have to do? First we have to line the decimals up. Line the decimals up, the first step. So how to arrange the decimals? First, this is a decimal number. First we have to write a decimal number 1.452. This is first decimal number, and the second decimal number 1.3. Point. First we have to write point number, and before point is 1, so that we have to write, after is 3. So in this way we have to write. Exactly we have to write the decimal number below. A decimal number we have to, decimal point and decimal point we have to keep in one line, and ones place value we have to write in ones place, and tenths value we have to write below in tenths place. In that way we have to arrange. So don't write in zigzag order 1.452, 1.3, this is not correct. This is not correct. Okay, so we have to write in this way 1.452. After that in the second, so we have to write the point first, and ones place and tenths place we have to write. Then after that pad with zeros. Pad with what is pad with zeros? Pad with zeros means again we have to write this 1.452 and 1.2. Pad with zeros means, so we have to convert the given decimals into like decimals. So means adding zeros. So if any place is missing, so we have to convert into like fractions, means adding with 0. After adding, so that decimals we are converting into like decimals. Here We don't, here we have 3 places, decimal places, here only 1 place we have. It means we have to keep 2 zeros. Pad with zeros means, so to convert like fractions, how many zeros we are going to add, so that is called pad with zeros, pad with zeros. Then after that, what we have to do in the third step, add. In the third step we have to add. Then again you have to take 1.45 to 1.300. Then add 2 plus 0, 2, 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 3, 7, 1 plus 1, 2. This is the addition, decimals addition. Now, here first line the decimal up first, line the decimals. See, in a line we have to arrange. First 3.25, then after that first we have to take a decimal. This is first one is over, the second one point. First we have to write decimal point first, and before 0 is there, then after that 0.75. Okay. Then again here 5, in the 5 there is no decimal, means 5 is in ones place, in unit place we have to write point. There is no point means after that point we have to write. Then after that pad with zeros, pad with zeros. Again we have to take 3.25, 0.075 and 5 point. Here we have 3 decimals, here we have 2 decimals, 1 0 we have to add here. Here no decimals means 3 zeros we have to add. Now all they convert into like fractions. Now add 3.250, 0.075, then 5.000. Now we have to add 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 0, 12, 12 means 12 tens means 2 tens and 1 hundreds we have to take carry over. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, and after that decimal point. 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8.325. This is the addition. Okay.